ZBox.com, we have a large selection of seats for riding lawnmowers, and today I'm showing you a replacement seat for the John Deere GT series or the GX series or LX series riding lawnmowers. There's a lot of fitment that this seat can go to, a lot of different machines. I will put all that in the description below, as well as a link directly to this seat. So for starters, it has a thick yellow vinyl over cushion tucked tightly into a plastic construction. We have a drainage hole in the back, which is good for wicking water away. That will really prolong the life of your seat. And there's an actuator here that you can pull to slide this seat forward and back once you have it mounted to get you the perfect position. Also, there's 2 coil springs in the back. That should give you a nice soft ride over the bumpy terrain. Let me flip this seat over so we can get the dimensions so that you can make sure the seat fits your tractor exactly. So coming to the underside, you can see we have a hinged base, the heavy construction seat with the drainage and the location for the seat sensor. And to uninstall the seat, what you're going to want to do is unscrew the seat sensor, then use this actuator and slide the seat right off. This one will be loose as well, and the seat should slide right off. Once you slide that seat off, you're going to unbolt these bolts and bolt on the new seat channel. Once the new seat channel is bolted on, you just slide your seat right in, let that spring pull back, and you're set to go. Now let me give you a dimension on the distance between these bolts. The dimensions are 7 3/4 center to center. Up and down, there's many different patterns. You should be able to find one that works for you. If you're looking for a replacement seat or parts for your tractor, go to zbox.com. We have great prices, an easy checkout, and quick delivery. I'll put the link in the description below, as well as all the fitment that this seat goes to. Also, the seat is pretty universal, so if the bolt pattern works, it should work for you. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time.